Well, hello and welcome. Welcome to another episode of the Imperfect Men's Club podcast. My name is Mark Aylward, and once again, I'm here with my good friend, colleague, and co-host, Jim Gurley. And as we always do, Jim and I had a good, solid, lively pregame conversation, and it's worth mentioning that what we're going to do is connected to one of the most incredibly terrible things that we've experienced as Americans, and that's the fires going on in Southern California. And I think it bears mentioning that, just as a reminder, Jim lives in California, is a lifelong California resident, and I'm in Florida, originally from Massachusetts, but have spent 30 years in Florida. So imagine our different perspectives. I also recently experienced natural disaster, which certainly these fires are categorically, with my own daughters living in Asheville, North Carolina. Now, it wasn't a fire, but it was also devastating, and they were ill prepared. So I think the way we're connecting this, Jim, today, as we discussed, is a worldview of sorts, and within that big category of worldview is what we've referred to as our belief system. So really interested in this episode. Really looking forward to it, Jim. Pass the microphone over to you.